What up? So, I got all kinds of information to give to you guys. A lot has been going on, a lot has changed for the better. Things have been great. But let's get into it, man. So, you already see the title of the video, so you know what we're talking about today. And it's crazy because the last time I put a video out about coding, I said that I was done. I was not pursuing it anymore. It was a waste of my time. I spoke a lot about doing website builders, templates, things of that nature. But things keep evolving. And I think that's the key here is that when you're building a business like I am and you're growing, you have to be adaptable and change to what you need. So while website builders and templates were good at that time, we've elevated some, and they are not doing us well anymore. We have moved to PHP, modular code, and data focused code. So we're building much bigger websites than we used to. We're focused on SEO. We're focused on growth, lead generation. So much different than what I was doing in the past. And it's really changed everything for my business over the last couple months of how much money I'm bringing in each month, the amount of clients, me getting yeses more often, the quality of work, how the clients feel, right? Because that's a big thing. Do they feel like they're getting value? Do they feel like they're getting a lot? All of it's changed, man. And I want to start sharing with you guys my new procedure, my new workflow. I've been building out an SOP to get ready to onboard an employee. I've been working with Claude so much. Gemini too, but Claude has been my go-to. And we're building custom websites. I almost want to say faster than we were building templates, website builders, stuff like that. I've pretty much completely moved off Go High Level. I do have the smallest package on there still, just because I have two clients that are still on there and they kind of need it, even though I'm looking for a process with that. So I've gotten involved with N8N and I'm looking at Twilio and doing some changes there. But man, things have just, since I kind of changed my model, my pricing, how I'm doing outreach has really drastically changed my business. Because for a while I was getting worried. Like, I've been having consistent income coming in just because I set up hosting, I charge people less money, and I charge them a monthly fee. We're still doing that, but we have changed the deliverables. And I want to begin a process of just kind of showing you guys what's going on and what my new workflow looks like. So over the coming weeks, I will be releasing videos explaining different aspects of the workflow, how it has increased me, how last week was a $15,000 week by itself. It's crazy. It's crazy. And our monthly recurring revenue we're good now. But we have to keep everybody, so it's a lot more work than it used to be. But we're growing. We've been growing. I don't know. I think a lot of times I get in my head and I get worried. And really the reality is the data shows that we keep growing. And for some reason I just let things get me down. We also have had, personal issues going on and a lot of other things, but I really want to get back into this, right? Talking to you guys, working with you guys, creating content, keep building the business, sharing everything with you, because that's why a lot of you guys follow me, is that, I have my own personal story, what I'm doing, how I'm building the business, and I want to continue that. There's also a new Facebook page for you guys to follow and some other things. I'm a lot more active on there, but hopefully that'll change soon. We'll see. But I just want to let you guys know that in 2026, I am coding mostly HTML, CSS, although it's wrapped in PHP, probably more than I've coded when I was learning, right? And thank God for all that learning, because with AI and with the abilities that I have and reading code and understanding how things work, APIs, things of that nature, it has made me able to be much, much faster than I was with the website builders. So, if you're wanting to really get into making money, selling websites, outcomes to small businesses. You're going to want to follow along while I walk you through my new process, which is very similar to the old process. However, there are some changes, and these changes have increased my yeses significantly. I'm excited to take you guys on the journey of version 3 of my business. I'll see you guys later.